Hey, in this quick tutorial you'll learn how to save TikTok draft video to your gallery without posting. It works on Android and on iOS the same way. It's very simple, and actually I didn't see a video on YouTube quite like it yet, so stay tuned. I'm Dr. Nikki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online, so subscribe if you're new, because me and my team, we have 2 video editors currently bringing you these awesome videos late at night, recording late at night just for your value. Before we start, make sure you give this video a like, and I'll shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment your TikTok down below. I'll take it, put it in the awesome shout out jar, and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, so here's how it goes. I'm on TikTok right now, and I just have 2 videos. It was for testing purposes on my Dr. Nikki account, and we use this account for example. All you gotta do is click the plus sign right here, select your ugly face, but first click sounds, then click on a random song, probably this one, and then I gotta do something like 3 seconds like this. You click this button right here, then you click next again. You change this from public to private, you disable comments, and you make sure save to device is enabled. When you click post right here, you see it in this tab, which means no one else will see it. You didn't really post it, you can delete it at any point. I'm gonna do it right now. Delete it, because I want to be tidy, I don't want to have it on my feed. And if I go on my gallery, here it is. Have it saved. And it's very convenient if you have some future videos or just something funny you want to post, edit on TikTok that you want to use for your gallery, maybe share it on Instagram or something else. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. Remember that a video day keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out. See you next one. Bye.